Welcome. In front of me is a Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications, extend the list, and in here we should be able to locate the mode. So portable hotspot, or whatever it's named exactly in here. It's just hotspot. So it's right here, at least that's where it is for me. So once you locate this toggle, hold it the first time around, and this will quickly take you to the settings. Now the first time around you want to navigate into the settings strictly because without going in here you don't really know what the password is. So click right here, set up portable hotspot, and you can either tap on this eye icon to view the generated password. So this one is random, so for you it will be obviously different. Or what I recommend doing is just removing this password and setting up your own. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length. There we go, at which point you will be able to save it. So let's do so. Now obviously in here you had a couple additional settings. You can go through them and change them to your liking if you know what they do. If you don't, I probably recommend keeping them at the default state. So anyway, once you went to the settings and customize them and primarily change the password, find the toggle once more, and this time around simply tap on it to enable it. And once you're done with the hotspot, I do recommend turning it off. So just pull down the panel, click on it once more to turn it off. Now the reason why I recommend doing so is because hotspot does consume more battery life, so if you're not really using it, there is no point for it to be running in the background. So that's it. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.